Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech releases. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Intel Emerald Rapids 5th-Gen Xeon Platinum 8592 Plus. This powerhouse of a processor has been making waves in the server chip market, promising impressive AI performance and enhanced capabilities. So, let's not waste any time and delve into what makes this chip stand out from the crowd. The Intel Xeon Platinum 8592 Plus boasts a whopping 64 cores and 128 threads, making it a force to be reckoned with in the world of server processors. But what sets it apart is its tripled L3 cache and faster DDR5-5600 memory, delivering a significant boost in performance across a range of workloads, particularly in AI tasks. Our benchmark tests have shown that the Emerald Rapids Xeon Platinum 8592 Plus holds its ground against competitors like AMD's EPYC Genoa lineup. With a 42% improvement in AI inference and a 21% increase in general compute workloads, Intel has certainly upped its game with this release. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, we have 8 more cores compared to mainstream models, along with the tripled L3 cache and stellar performance in AI workloads. However, it's worth noting that Intel still trails AMD in terms of overall core counts. And some sub-32 core chips have the same amount of L3 cache as previous generations. Intel has made some notable changes in the architecture and design of the Emerald Rapids Xeon processors. Moving from a complex quad chiplet design to a simpler 2-die setup has resulted in a more consistent latency profile and improved overall performance. Plus, backward compatibility with the existing platform ensures a smooth transition for users. When it comes to pricing, the Intel Xeon Platinum 8592 Plus comes in at $11,600, offering excellent value for its impressive specifications. With various SKUs tailored to different workloads and support for inbuilt accelerators, Intel has ensured that there's a model suitable for every need. In summary, the Intel Emerald Rapids 5th-Gen Xeon Platinum 8592 Plus is a game-changer in the world of server processors. With its high core count, enhanced cache, and superior AI performance, it's clear that Intel is back in the game and ready to take on the competition. That's all for today's review of the Intel Xeon Platinum 8592 Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech reviews. Until next time, happy computing!